Good afternoon, peeps. Another day, another vlog. So our today's vlog, we are traveling to Horseshoe Bay for Father's Day. So samahan nyo kami at ipapasol namin kayo. It's another wonderful day here in Horseshoe Bay. So those are the busy bears traveling to Nanaimo Island, Bowen Island. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Horseshoe Bay Terminal. At currently naglalakad tayo dito sa may park mismo nila. At napakagandang view rito at napaka-relaxing. And currently ang weather natin dito is around 30 degree today. But windy siya kaya hindi ganun kainit ang dating. At yeah, it's the first day of summer of 2026. So enjoy tayo ngayon.
Wala na yung film.
So ito arrival na ng MV Queen of Coquitlam. Galing to sa Nanaimo Island. Nakakalabang na yun, no? Get park here, right?
Oh, where's the cruise ship? That's a Sandam. Yeah, that's a Sandam.
Mas handa nakita mo? Tulak lang since eh.
Okay guys, salamat sa pagsama sa aming itong simpleng vlog for Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all guys. God bless peeps.